Today we're going to take a mini outing in my vehicle and walk in on my property to see the different colors and changes in the leaves of fall for Northwest Oregon. I had originally planned on going on a drive up into the mountains so it would be longer and we'd see more scenery, but tornado-like winds this last weekend was not a good time to go, so we'll have to do it maybe next year. And now, before we go outside, let's have a warm cup of coffee to warm ourselves up before we go. We are now about to enter the tunnel of Autumn's Delight. Back at home, and while here on the deck looking out, I got lucky and caught a glimpse of a little tiny bit of a double rainbow. If only I could find that pot of gold, maybe there would be two of them. So on our mini walk around the property, we aren't going to go through the whole thing. We're just going to go to the backyard. Going through the whole thing will take about an hour for a healthy person to do. And I definitely am not feeling like I can go up the hill today. But aren't these garas so pretty? I think they're prettier right now than they are in the summertime. I think they're just more vibrant and more colorful. I like them better now than I did. Maybe I'll actually keep them and not pull them after all. And this hydrangea, it's so pretty. I love that dark red coloring. And for those of you wondering about our house selling, if you watched my Saturday video a few weeks back, we're still in limbo. We have some people interested still. And so we're just still in limbo. And I can't tell you what's going to happen because I really don't know. And that is probably the most frustrating part about this whole thing. It's such an emotional roller coaster up and down throughout this selling the house ordeal. As long as we have someone interested, we probably won't take it off the market. But as soon as we stop, we're going to be done because we are emotionally spent. We've found several houses that we've liked, and then we couldn't get them because the offer fell through. And it's just been, it feels like it's been a really long process, which in reality, it's only been 3.5 months. But we're just kind of done with it. Do you remember this dwarf burning bush just last week? Look how much the color has changed in 1 week. I love it so much. And for a slight second, you can almost see the full rainbow. It's the brightest I've seen it in a really long time. Oh, there we go. Now we can see the arc over. The calm before the storm. We're about to get high winds this weekend. And we'll see what happens around here. Hopefully everything stays intact. We're supposed to get our first snow up in the mountains too, so it's just so pretty right now, the overcast with the sun peeking through. It's such a good time to go take photographs, but it's really cold out here today. If that refrigerator was not in the way, oh my goodness. There's the end of it. I think I caught the whole rainbow just in the nick of time, because I can't see the whole thing anymore. The rose hips are gorgeous. Oh my word. I'm gonna have to trim these back. I really just don't want to do it if we're moving. They need to be trimmed back bad. That's a red currant and a wisteria and an ocean spray on the other side. Country road. Oh my goodness, those birds. I'm not sure what they are. Are they little chickadees? Wrens, maybe. I'm gonna have to listen on my bird app and figure out. Yeah, I think they're chickadees. I just saw one fly by. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to double check. It's so pretty out here every day. I am thankful for the beauty that surrounds me. The nature out here, it's just so pretty. Everyone always says New England is the most pretty fall. And they're right, because they have the most deciduous trees that change with the coloring, different colors of leaves. There's so many more deciduous trees there. However, I personally think that all of these deciduous colored trees mixed in with the green evergreens just create that balance. And to me, it's perfection. It's more than that. It's home to me, and I love it. Fall in the Pacific Northwest of Oregon. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but all that live action down there on the ground, those are all little birds. I'm not sure if they're wrens or maybe house sparrows or some sort of finch, but there's just a ton of them hopping around down there. So cute. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of Oregon in the fall. See you next time.